In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can copy and paste a table from ChatGPT to Google spreadsheet. So after watching this video, you are able to do this perfectly. So without any more time wasted, let's jump here. First of all, I'm going on ChatGPT. Then I type how many people in the world. Create a table with 5 columns. Just click on enter, then wait in few seconds. ChatGPT created a table for you. Then wow, this is really good. So now again type of convert it CSV. Just again click on enter. Then ChatGPT created a CSV file only for me. So ChatGPT create a CSV file for me. So just click here, then starting download right now. If I open this one on my computer, so just click on double click, then it's open. Okay, it's already here. So I am going on Google spreadsheet. So now just click on file, then again click on import, then again click on upload, then browse option, click here, then just open, just click here, then replace spreadsheet detect automatically. So okay, just click on import data. So you need only few seconds for processing those here. You can see it's already convert it to my Google spreadsheet. So this is a method you can convert, copy and paste ChatGPT table to Google spreadsheet. So if you have any questions, please comment below. If you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.